What is up, guys? Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. So there are two completely different things people mean when they say zoom in inside of Premiere Pro, and you kind of need both. One is zooming in your timeline so you can actually see your cuts, and the other is zooming in into the picture itself. 2 minutes, here's both of them. So quick, on your timeline, to zoom in and out of your media, you just hit plus on your keyboard or minus on your keyboard. You can also grab this and actually zoom in and out of your timeline. Now let's say that your clip is too small on your timeline. This clip's the right size, this clip is too small. Couple of quick ways to zoom in. You could highlight the clip, right click and do fill frame, which just fills it to the frame. Right click fit to frame, does something similar. Fit to frame is similar, but this is really what it does. So I have a vertical video here. If I hit fill frame, again, it fills the frame. If we do fit to frame, it will fit to the frame, just like so. Now, if I want to manually change the zoom of an image, just go to Window and then Effect Controls. We can select our clip to manually control, and we can scale this up to fit our thing. Just drop down on motion and scale it up. Now, if you want to manually keyframe the zoom, hit the little stopwatch. Let's zoom it in a little more, move this down the timeline. Now it is a keyed zoom on its own pixels, so it will slowly start zooming in. If we play it, as you can see, it's zooming in just like so. And now the pro way to zoom in on your timeline is like this. We're going to right click in our project bin here, or the new button right here, and do adjustment layer. Okay, to our timeline. Drag it onto our timeline, spread it out like so. Once your adjustment layer is over the clip, we want to go to effects and then transform. Type in transform. Right here is our transform effect. Let's drag it onto the adjustment layer, and then we can scale the transform effect inside of effect control. Let's scale it up and it zooms in our clip. Now, why would you want to do this? Very easy. Let's actually animate this scale just because we can, and then let's scale it down just like so. As you can see, it's going to do this automatically. Now, if I took this adjustment layer, hold Alt or Command on my keyboard and move it over here to copy this over, this now does the same thing. As you can see, this adjustment layer has been copied and this clip is zooming out as well. And that's how you could easily copy and paste zooms and stuff onto your timeline. Now, you did see me add adjustment layers to each one of these clips very quickly inside of Premiere, but there is a faster way to do it, and also it's free. This is a free plugin called Shortcut that we create over at filmit.io. Now, if you would like to try Shortcut, just install Filmit Studio. There's a link down in the description. Click Shortcut. It'll open it up like this. And if I highlight all these clips and click the little adjustment layer button, it creates an adjustment layer above all these clips. If I highlight all the clips and then shift click the adjustment layer button, it creates an individual adjustment layer above each clip. And if I highlight all these clips and then control click the adjustment layer button, it does little adjustment layers between each transition, which are very useful if you know what these are for. But this plugin is totally free, and there's a link down in the description. And if you're wondering where I got these clips, I'm using another free plugin called Sourcer that allows me to look up royalty-free footage to just insert into my timeline. Let's grab this right here to click insert, and there is a new clip on my timeline, just like so. As always, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.